Hello everybody, my name is Alex. It is a pleasure to have you on this channel again, and today I want to show you what 6 months of art practice looks like for a total beginner. I am that beginner, and maybe you are too. So now you can see my ugly sketches all the way to what I'm doing right now. Nothing looks, professional. Everything's pretty ugly, in my personal opinion. Maybe you'll think it's nice and pretty. That would be funny. But basically, I just want to show you my sketches from the past 6 months rather than show you the process that I took to learn this. It's mostly just gesture drawing, sprinkled in with a bit of anatomy and blah 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 blah. Rather than make this a very super long video, it's going to be super short. It's just going to be me showing you the different pages and what basically a beginner's stuff looks like. All right, so let's get into it. Alright, so that was everything that I've been doing for the past 6 months when it comes to art practice. I'm hoping that it'll encourage you to give art a chance. The other thing I want to note is that if you're wondering what techniques, what videos, what tutorials I used, in the next video I'm going to create a playlist. That way I can link you some incredible art tutorials that you can follow along with that will just skyrocket your progression. And if you don't know where to start, I'm more than happy to push you in the right direction. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.